All right, guys, welcome back to the Sooner Challenge. It's 8:20. I revamped the loading chute, and I'm going to give you a quick video. Well, it's not a quick video. I'm going to show you what it's like to run all 469 birds out in just a few minutes. So the video might be long, but what I'm going to explain real quick is I don't have the trailer hooked up, so I can show you kind of what I've got going on. That was the old original loading chute, and then I used to have to lower and raise that to get it to the next level of the trailer. But now you can see this little drop down box, and what happens is I've got a bar hooked up. I welded this bar, and you lift that up and you can see it right there. I lift that up and the birds drop down and they go. Here's what that bar looks like. Those birds, they drop straight down in there. I did it yesterday, so I know it works, and I did it in 15 minutes. But now I'm just doing a loft fly today, so I'm going to show you what it's like. So anyways, that's down, and I'll have my son here video. I'm going to have him stand over here. That way the birds aren't spooked. So we're going to lift this up. This is now granted, the trailer would be hooked up here, but that's the loading chute. So we'll show you the 469 birds coming out in just a few minutes. Now this is going to involve me going in and actually getting the birds out of each compartment and shut the compartment door, walk to the other end, and forcing them out. All right, stand by. What time do you got?
It is 7:10.
7:10.
As you see, they're coming out. There's a lot of them.
What time you got?
7:16.
Huh?
7:16.
All right, so 6 minutes. Let me open these compartment doors.
There they are over there, if you can see. Like right there.
All right, guys, there you go. That's the fastest way in the world to unload or to load 469 pigeons. All right, I got to take my son to school. Signing off from the Sooner Challenge.